Good morning. I got hold of this Xbox One S today. I just opened it and started checking. Pressing the button, it beeps and no LED glow. This Xbox would not turn on at all by pressing the power button. I have my eye on a suspicious area. Yes, that is it. There is a lot of dust and dirt on this part. It should be cleaned. This is the filter circuit for the input signals of the network cable. There is no power source here, but it should still be cleaned. It may also be that some of the capacitors are for power filtration and could cause getting short-circuited to the mud and dust. Now let's try to run it again. It has gone on. Its status has changed now. It starts to turn off. Maybe it needs more cleaning. I remember that it could not boot up without a hard disk. Still the same. I have removed both of these capacitors. After all the checkings, the final result is that the problem is underneath this APU. This process is the reflow soldering technique. In the reflow process, it gets heated and the solder melts. Reflow soldering technique is generally used to solder BGA in order to melt the solder or solder balls underneath the BGA components. It floats on the melted solder or solder balls after a specific temperature. I have started the cooling process. As its temperature goes down, the solder balls are visible there. Surface tension causes the molten solder to hold the package in the correct alignment with the circuit board. As I have removed these capacitors, there are many others to perform this task. So no matter, no worries. Here you can see I just did a reflow soldering of the BGA processor chip. After installing it with the hard disk, power supply and power panel, I can check it. Again, this is important so that it does not shut down too quickly due to the heat. I installed the hard disk and on-off panel has also been installed. I just have to connect the main power. Now I am about to activate it. The processor has started to heat up. Now it should also be displayed on the screen. Yes, it is. The problem now could be with its software or the hard disk would not good. Okay, let's see. I decided we should get it together now. I have connected the HDD with an adapter to connect to the computer so that we can check it. Wow! Due to thousands of weak sectors, its condition is so weak. I can't imagine it. So I had to replace the 1 TB hard disk with the 500 GB hard drive because that is what I have. Now there is something to do that we have to download its newest software update. So from here we can download it. Just click here, the download will start automatically. The download progress you can see here. Click show in folder. There it is. Here we need to extract it. In the OSU1 folder you can see it like that. Now connect the USB drive to the computer. Here we need to format the USB drive in NTFS format. It is required to copy this extracted folder at the root of this USB drive. We don't need to create partitions on the HDD, everything will be done by itself. And insert the USB drive into the port of the Xbox X. And click on the offline system update button to start the update. In this process, it will take time. It is done. And that was the whole story of this game console. Goodbye until the next video.